If you love huge explosions, this video is for you. Reportedly, ammo was hidden in the middle of ammonia fertilizer in the Kursk region. This year, the team of Warthog Defense tracked the war in Ukraine and conflicts across the globe, bringing you insights and updates as events unfold. As we head into 2025, our mission remains the same: to keep you informed on the battles shaping our world. There are signs the war in Ukraine could be approaching a turning point, and with it, perhaps the hope for a lasting resolution. Let's stay vigilant and hopeful for better days ahead. In today's videos, we will make a compilation of the best videos from the past year, so enjoy and let's kick their butts in 2025. The Russians show their howitzer, which had a North Korean shell explode in its barrel. So Kim Jong-un should send more of these, definitely. If you love huge explosions, this video is for you. Reportedly, ammo was hidden in the middle of ammonia fertilizer in the Kursk region. Russian crew is stopped by accurate autocannon fire in Avdiivka. Russian losses are tremendous. And there is a lot of destroyed Russian equipment in Bakhmut, Andreevka village, filmed by Russian soldier. This is how a Ukrainian fighter is resting.
Это нахуй Купенск, блядь.
Before clearing the building, the Ukrainian Special Operation Unit scouts it using the Norwegian Black Hornet nano drone, currently deployed in Kursk. Russian correspondents visited the village of Vysokoye in the Glushkovsky district of the Kursk region. As visible, there is practically no destruction of civilian infrastructure, but the roads are littered with cars burned by FPV drones. U.S.-supplied Abrams tank of the Ukrainian 47th Mechanized Brigade destroys Russian invaders in Avdiivka direction. The Russians shoot at a damaged and abandoned Humvee and wonder why the windows don't break.
Давай, поехали. Нихуя.
Ну, бля, ебать там стекло-то. Но я сказал бы еще немножко.
Смотри, игольник надо.
Here we have new HIMARS strike on a place where Russians gathered equipment at a gas station in the village of Veliki Kopani, occupied Kherson region. This strikes are really terrifying for Russian invaders.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.